All right, we're gonna cook what the Italian, what my grandmother used to say is pasta fagiole, but the Italian Americans call it pasta fagiole. And I think the Americans say pasta full cold, some stupid. Anyway, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some olive oil, some ditalini pasta, a little bit of granulated garlic, salt, crushed red pepper, and very important is the Bush's cannelloni beans. All right, I just spilled some on the freaking floor. Pissed me off. Let me work this. I'll get to it later. Pissed me. So I've already cooked the pasta. I've already cooked the cannelloni pasta, as you see. It's all done. Now I got the oven on medium heat. Actually, medium high. I'm gonna put the olive oil. Quite a bit of olive oil here. I'm gonna say maybe even a quarter cup of olive oil. A good amount because I want to fry up the chopped garlic. It's about a quarter cup of chopped garlic right here. And don't use the stuff in a jar, it sucks. Use either fresh garlic or already peeled garlic and chop it up fine. It's a lot easier. If you peel garlic, it's a pain in my ass. So don't do that. So let's wait till the oil heats up a little bit. Let me clean the floor that I just spilled the shit on. Hold on. Ugh. All right, the floor's cleaned up. It's a little slippery. All right, let's see. Oil's pretty hot now. Now the oregano is critical. I use almost a quarter cup of oregano here. I know it seems like a lot of oregano, but trust me, it's okay. All right. If you want to put a little less, you can, but I use at least a quarter cup. So there's quite a bit of garlic here. Well, at least a quarter cup of garlic. Take every little bit of this garlic. We'll fry this up nice. All right, well, I'm gonna cook the garlic until it just starts to turn brown. As soon as it starts to turn brown, I'm gonna pour the whole can of cannelloni, including the juice. Okay, the whole can. All right. And start to brown up. This was a dish my grandmother used to make all the time. Because for one thing, we would pour. It was wicked cheap. Cannelloni, probably a couple bucks for the cannelloni beans, a couple of bucks for the pasta, and almost nothing for the oregano, salt, and pepper. And you could feed a family of 5 or 6 with this dish. So the way I eat, I'll probably eat the whole thing by myself. Okay. All right. So it's browning up right now. It's beginning to brown. Any second now, I'm going to add the cannelloni, and that'll stop the cooking process also. So let's get ready to pour this in. I want to make sure it's nice and golden brown before I pour it in. Mix all that garlic up with the oil. Start cooking. All right, bam! We got all the cannelloni beans and the juice in there. Stir that sucker up now, okay? Now you can add add the salt, the garlic powder or salt, and the crushed red pepper. Come on. I like it hot and spicy, so I add a little more. You can add less if you want. Again, salt and pepper to taste. And you put in about half that quarter cup, so about 1/8 of a cup of the oregano, Mix that up, stir that up. Now add the pasta. I know it sounds like, you can cut back on the pasta. There's a lot of pasta. I used the whole 1 pound. Seems like a lot. And now just keep stirring it, keep stirring it, keep stirring it. And as you're going along, you're going to add a little more oregano to the pasta. I like a lot of oregano. Some people don't like as much because Beverly thinks it's too bitter, but I like it. And just keep stirring it, and that's basically it. And if you want to add 2 cans of cannelloni beans, that's okay too. The more beans, the better. Don't forget, beans. The more you eat, the more you fart, the better you feel. Okay? Get ready for another meal. So and Danielle, that's it. It's that simple. And this, you have enough here for probably 2 days. All right? Okay, the end. Cut. See you later.